Watch the ride.
Hey everybody, this is a quick video to let you know the things that are now on my Etsy store available to buy. First thing is clock number 58, which is made from a KTM 690. Well, this thing is huge. A KTM 690 disc, and as you can see the thing's massive. Got a hand brushed aluminium backing plate that's been lacquered, hand painted hands. I've cleaned it up but left it with a lot of the wear that's there, so it looks nice and cool. It's a good clock. But as I've mentioned, and I will mention in the selling, I would suggest, the listing, I would suggest hanging it from probably one of these holes or one of these holes with a hook, rather than relying on that clock mechanism one, just because this is so big and so heavy. I would think it would be more advisable to hang it from that top one. Okay, so this is clock number 59. As you can see, it's a little desk type clock made of 3 cogs which have been welded together. Got an insert clock put in it. Just a nice little clock. There you go. That is available on my Etsy store now. This is clock 60. I hope it's in focus. This is made using the gear from a Team Marussia Formula 1 car gear. I'm not sure if it was ever used in a car, it may not have been, but it's definitely made for that. It's got numbers on the rear that I have had checked out, and they do correspond to Marussia, so it is them. As you can see, I put a carbon fibre face in it, and I've designed these clocks in a way that they just pull off of their stands, like that. This one has got a normal mechanism on the back, which can't be seen from the front. That's just because I couldn't get an insert clock to fit this size, but it has meant that I'm able to put that carbon fibre in there. And then to just put it back on the stand, this is a good fit. You have to just wedge it, basically. Now, one of the nice things is because this stand is made of mild steel. There we go. One of the nice things is because this stand is made of mild steel and this is made of very, very hard steel, this won't be scratched by this, surprisingly enough. This centre is glued in but could be removed if it wanted to, so the actual item itself, which does have an intrinsic value, is intact. Obviously, Formula 1, pretty rare, you're not going to get many of these, so it's available on my store now if you want to get that as a special present for yourself or someone. The second hand on here, by the way, is a sweeping type, so it won't tick, it will just slowly turn around. It's very, very quiet. This is one of the ultra quiet movements I've used. And then lastly, clock 61. This is made using an Aston Martin GT3 2012, so that is a Vanquish, I believe, but it's the Le Mans style that they do the racing with. This, again, may or may not have been used in a car, but it's definitely for that. I've had the numbers checked, and I know it's from 2012. You can see, pretty little desk clock with an insert. And again, this one just lifts off and you can just push the insert clock out, and then the gear itself is completely intact with its numbers on the back. And then that just pops back on there like that. Lovely fit. So there you go. They are the 4 clocks that are currently available on my store, I believe. 2 of them are very, very special. I cannot say that I'll ever be able to do this again or ever be able to do the Formula 1 one again, because I don't know if I'll ever get those parts again. Just a quick insert to update things. Since filming this, I've actually got calendars back on the store now. I don't have many, so if you want one, grab one. And if you'd like it to be signed, when you order it, just put, "Can you please sign it?" and I'm very happy to sign the front cover for you. Also, after not having them in stock for months, I have stickers again. Again, available on my Etsy store, link in the description, same as the clocks. Thanks very much. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video anyway and you're not planning to buy a clock, please consider leaving a like still. Otherwise, I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video and the other content on the channel, please consider following the links in the description to show your support.